Healing starts when you stop asking why. Because after a betrayal, that's the question that consumes us. Why did they do it? Why me? What did I do wrong? How could someone I trusted hurt me like this? And the painful truth is that sometimes you will never get an answer that makes sense. Sometimes people betray you because they are selfish, sometimes because they are insecure, sometimes because they are chasing their own interest, and sometimes there is no explanation that can undo the damage. The more important question is not why did this happen? The more important question is what do I do now? Because betrayal can break your trust, your confidence, and sometimes even your faith in people. But it does not have to break your future. So, step one, don't react immediately. When someone betrays you, your emotions take over. You feel angry, hurt, humiliated. You want answers, you want justice, you want to send that long message, you want to expose them, you want them to feel the same pain. But here is something I have learned: the decisions you make in your most emotional moments are often the decisions you regret later. Pain is a terrible advisor. Take a pause, sleep on it, go for a walk, talk to someone you trust, give your emotions time to settle, because your first reaction may satisfy your anger, but it may not serve your future. Not every betrayal deserves an immediate response. Sometimes the strongest response is silence and clarity. Step 2, accept reality. This is the hardest part. We don't suffer because someone betrayed us. We suffer because we can't accept that the person we trusted is capable of hurting us. We keep replaying old memories, but they cared about me. They promised they would never do this. The mind keeps fighting reality. But healing begins when you accept what has already happened. The betrayal happened, the trust is broken, the relationship has changed. Acceptance doesn't mean what happened was okay. It means you stop arguing with reality. You stop wishing for a different past because you cannot heal from something you refuse to accept. Step 3, set new boundaries. Trust is valuable, and once broken, it doesn't automatically return. Many people make one of two mistakes. Either they trust the person exactly as before, or they decide never to trust anyone again. Both extremes can hurt you. Instead, create new boundaries. Maybe that person remains in your life, but with less access. Maybe you stop sharing personal information. Maybe you stop depending on them, or maybe the relationship needs to end completely. Boundaries are not punishment, they are protection. They're simply your way of saying, I have learned something and I'll act accordingly. Wise people don't ignore betrayal, they learn from it. Step 4, move forward without revenge. This is perhaps the most difficult lesson. When someone hurts us, we want revenge. We want them to suffer. We want life to teach them a lesson. But revenge has a strange way of keeping us emotionally tied to the person who hurt us. You keep thinking about them, you keep reliving the betrayal, you remain trapped in the same story. Moving forward doesn't mean they were right. It doesn't mean they deserve forgiveness. It means you choose not to carry the weight of anger forever. The best revenge is not making them suffer. The best revenge is building a peaceful, meaningful life that no longer revolves around what they did to you. Your healing should not depend on their apology. Your future should not depend on their regret. My final thoughts: betrayal changes you, it teaches you who people really are, it teaches you to pay attention to actions, not just words, and it teaches you that trust should be given wisely. But don't let one betrayal make you bitter. Don't let one person's action convince you that everyone is the same. Protect your heart, learn the lesson, set better boundaries, and keep moving forward. Because healing starts when you stop asking why, and it truly begins when you start asking, how do I create a better life from here?